And after the opening ng enchanting Baguio Christmas market here, you can see yung mga bukas na yung mga stalls here. Tapos yung remnants ng mga visitors kagabi, yung mga chairs nandyan pa. And that is the stage that was used last night. Ang ganda sa gabi, grabe. And I can simply say na meron pang mga ongoing adjustment yung ibang stalls. Yan. But most of them are bukas na. So paikot po siya ng Rose Garden. Ayan ako kaya para makita nyo. So yan, nakaikot dito yung stalls. Yun, merong windmill dyan and that's the windmill. Yan. Ay, Paris pala. Saan yung windmill? Andyan yung isang windmill. Dito pala sa kabilang side yun. Ayan yung ayun yung windmill. Palagpas. So dito kagabi, it was very colorful. Grabe, ang ganda. Ganda na opening. Ayan, nakaikot pa rin dyan. So dito ako sa gitna kung saan nandito yung pinaka-circular area. Pinakagitna ng Rose Garden. So ayan, nakita na, paikot na tayo. Ang daming stalls here and you can simply visit. Sigurado by this weekend mapupuno na naman to ng tao. Meron pa adjustment na ginagawa doon sila Kuya James Wright, one of the upcoming high-end, ayan, tawagin natin high-end coffee shop and bread outlet here in Baguio City. So yung stage na doon pa rin, I think it will be used para sa Nutcracker naman, PMA's Nutcracker event in these coming days. Bukas naman yung by the way, don't forget to subscribe Baguio Vlogs po. Yan, ito yung bagong channel ko which I do editing a bit. Tapos ayan, nakikita nyo yung pagmumukha ko dito. Yan, Baguio Vlogs po. So still meron pa ring adjustment doon sa mga rides. Kagabi yata hindi umandar. So nakikita natin merong ginagawang adjustment doon. So stay tuned for more. I-update ko kayo. Be a lot of activities here in Baguio City. Yan. Siguro diretso ko nang i-upload to. Wala nang editing. Okay, nakikita niyo naman sa likod ko yung yan. Those are the stalls, paikot talaga dito. Tapos sa gawidon meron pa. Sa gawidon yung merong existing fountain but it was not properly used or parang may lifespan yung fountain na yun, bigla na lang namatay. So yun sa gawidon sa likod ako. Yan. Yun doon may fountain area yan. Sa kagabi ang saya. Grabe. Around ilang kami kagabi? Dami namin kagabi. So pag pupunta kayo rito bandang hapon, still you can see this ganito maliwanag. Tapos you stay until the lights are open. Another event here, I think that was December 3. Yung Nutcracker naman, PMA's Nutcracker event. We'll be here for sure again to take all those entertainment videos na makikita nyo dito sa Baguio Vlogs. And ang daming paninda, Christmas gifts, souvenirs, food stamps, and so on and so forth. Yan po yung makikita nyo dito, ma-experience nyo. But you better go sa bandang late afternoon, maliwanag pa para makita niyo yung overall. Then you experience yung yung colorful lights when they open it. Stay tuned for more. This is Baguio Vlogs and peace out. Uy, subscribe pa yun.